What's going on? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing and a review on the Echo Cs-310 chainsaw. This is just a homeowner chainsaw, 14-inch bar, 30.5 thousand cc gas motor chainsaw engine. So I'm going to unbox it, show it to you, and then I'm going to go cut some trees and let you know what I think about the hunk of junk. It is just a stupid homeowner chainsaw, but you know, I just bought it for trimming little stuff because my little Poland chainsaw is junk. The chain keeps popping off and having issues. So let's see what's in the box. I wonder what's in the box. I wonder if there's like a weed eater in there, or like if there's a lawnmower. Let's see what's in the box. I wonder if anything's in here. Ooh, a chainsaw. That's unexpected. I wouldn't have thought that. Owner's manual. Don't give a shit about that. Ooh. Freaking sweet. Power Blend Gold. Ooh, sweet. A freaking scarent. Another owner's manual. Who the fuck needs that shit? Alright. Let's pour the stupid chainsaw out of the stupid fucking shit. Alright. Shit. Alright. Weight review. Not a problem. Zip ties. That's just annoying. We don't want those. Easy start. Who cares? Alright. This engine meets 2021 specifications. Ain't no one care about that. Does it not say the manufacturing date on these? That's about gay. Alright. Well, I'm gonna get it running and I'll show y'all. I'm not gonna put my regular mix in it. I'm gonna put this in it, because I doubt I'll be using this much and it's probably gonna do a lot of sitting. So I'm just gonna put this stuff in it so that way, you know, it can sit 6 months or however long. All right, here we go. First start. Fuck. All right. I'm gonna go cut some trees, then I'll let y'all know my thoughts. Alright, just chopped down a bunch of fucking trees. It's a good chainsaw. Cuts good, you know. Runs good. Only time will tell how good it is, but it's a good chainsaw. Go buy you one of these. Don't waste no time with that box. Well, this is box store, but don't waste your time with that MTD Craftsman bullshit or Poland Pro, because these homeowner Echoes are only like 200 something bucks. So go ahead and go get you one of these, or go get a Stihl MS-170. Don't make a damn to me, whatever your preference is. And yeah, go get one and chop down some fucking trees with a chainsaw. Be a man.